This is my 2014 Cat Wildcat Trail. It's got like 224 miles on it, about 33 hours. Well, we were out riding this weekend. One of the guys I was riding with noted that my back tires were kicking weird whenever I would accelerate. Thinking maybe it was a bad wheel bearing or something, I went ahead and pulled it apart tonight to check it out, and this is what I found. This thing is nearly new, still under warranty. Cat needs to get their shit together when it comes to torque specs and just getting everything tight on their machine. It's unreal the problems they're having with just shit because it's loose. Anyway, this is the problem I got. Look at all the play in this wheel. I haven't done anything to this other than pull the wheel off and look at it and then turn the camera on. So I'm gonna pull the wheel off. I'm going to show you what we got. So, it's not bad wheel bearings. The bolts that hold, I guess you would call this the spindle or the hub, were actually loose. And I'll take them off and I'll show you how my holes are in my A-arm and my upper control arm are now wallered out. Look at how much slop is in that bolt. It's actually oblong of the hole. This one down here is even worse. That's kind of hard to show it there. Look how much play is in there. Look what it's done to the bolt. It's actually a flat spot of the bolt. Anyway, so back to the dealer. Put the factory wheels and tires back on and let them fix something else under warranty, I guess.